want to do a murder mystery.
Oh no, someone's been found dead in the dorms. Who'll be the dead person? Who died? No! Okay, other than me, who was just completely destroyed by Kirishima's death? Todoroki. The ice boy does have a heart. And who's the person who's all like, that sucks? Like, who doesn't care that Kirishima's dead? Of course you don't! Who is the detective, or who makes himself the detective to figure out his death? You know what, he would! Who is immediately seen as the prime suspect, like everyone is like, they did it. Midori, he would never! And at the end of the day, when All Might has finished his investigating, who's the murderer? Kiribaku shippers are shook!